Most people get this wrong. They assume investing in startups is only for venture capitalists. But the surprising truth about Wefender is that it opens startup investing to everyday people, allowing you to back early-stage companies with as little as $100. Wefender connects investors with startups looking for funding. You won't believe what happens next. You can browse companies by sector, risk level, and funding stage, read their pitch materials, and invest directly through the platform. It also offers transparency with updates, financial statements, and investor communications. Using Wefender is straightforward. Create an account, verify your identity, and fund your investments. You can invest in multiple startups, diversify risk, and track your portfolio in real time. Some startups even offer perks or early product access for investors. However, startup investing carries high risk. Many startups fail, and your investment could be lost. Wefender is best for those who understand risk tolerance and want a chance at high growth potential while supporting innovative businesses. In conclusion, Wefender is a game changer for democratizing startup investment. It's ideal for investors willing to take calculated risks, learn about entrepreneurship, and potentially earn high returns. Start small, diversify, and enjoy the experience of backing the next big idea. Subscribe for more honest reviews to discover tools that help you invest smarter and diversify your portfolio.